came to crash a range day, and I ran into this homeless guy out here. Oh, hello. Hello, they just picked me up off the street. Got Victor, he's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Dude, no. What's up, dude? What's up? All right, what are we doing, Brandon?
What's up?
What are we doing?
So we're gonna do one rifle shot all the way down at the end of the bay, and then we're gonna transition to pistol for a close.
Gotcha.
Can I have this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, far.
All right,
here.
Ready?
All right, let's go for it.
Stand by.
Gotcha. Nice. Good grip, my man. Good solid grip. Get the reload up. And it's up. Hey!
Are we going until we miss? Sorry.
Hey,
No.
Cut. No. So one shot deep.
always get your hits. Never stop doing the drill.
Top it off. And then
If it happens, transition to pistol. Whatever.
And engage here.
You got it, big man. You got it. Shoot ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Up.
There you go. Hit.
Transition.
Nice shot.
Nice.
Very.
Nice.
Ooh.
Ready when you are, Jim.
On you, brother. Go.
Okay. Let's go, bud.
I ain't running with you.
Yes.
Good to go.
Yes.
In the flip-flops.
In the flops.
Woo. Right there.
That'll work.
Dumb.
Get the gun up. Get the gun up.
Little low. Little low. Right in the jugular.
And 4,000 up in the air.
Get it. Nice. It's all one hole left.
Low.
One.
Yeah, prep. Up.
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 Nice. First one was a little right. This is your first. This was your third.
Seconds right there.
Ah, there it is. Oh, took them all.
All right. Gun up. Smoke.
Muzzle strike. Let's see. One burner and one.
I think you need 12 rounds total for this, at least. So we're gonna start back, or 13 rounds. Recount, yeah. So we're gonna start here at the beep. You put one on A zone.
One on A zone.
You're gonna run up, break off to the right,
Break
and on the move between the two cones, you're gonna go 5 rounds. You have a good kick that needs to break down. Sprint back, 1, run up, break off, 5 on the move. Again, center A zone, sprint back, and finish with 1 shot here.
Works.
Yeah. So 1, 5, 1, 5, 1.
Oh, fuck me. Let's do this, buddy.
Yeah? Okay.
Dude, Jimmy always makes us run, dude.
Somebody have a timer.
Got the timerino?
Get it ready.
Yep.
God, look at him go.
He's so speedy.
Hands back. Hands up. Hands back. Hands back. Running back.
This is a timerino.
23.59.
Ooh. Go catch the flops.
Fastest Jimmy.
What was the time?
24,
See how
5,
going
6.
to your left?
Yeah.
Take care, brother. Good to see you as always, man.
Middle.
Now break off. Now
Yeah. Oh.
See how he's having a hard time with the steps going over?
Yeah.
Threat!
Nice. Good. He's running back. Rifle. Good. What's up? Nice. He's running. He's on the rifle.
We're gonna go count those hits.
I caught myself crossing over.
Nice. Gentle index. What's up? Good run. Okay. He's back. Running.
He saw his hands, he was like,
What's up with that dot?
huh?
That new fancy dot? Woo! Shout out Vulcan Machine Works one time.
Oh yeah. Vulcan killed it, man. There's a couple there.
And here.
There.
And one little right there.
Yeah, I think that's 2. 1, 2. There.
Nice.
I think that's it.
Nice.
I hit an old. We're finishing up with some. I don't know if we're finishing. We're just doing this.
Yeah.
Action reaction. So one of us is gonna have to move. The other's gonna react to that and try to put it on A zone before the other one does. So it's on you.
On me?
Yeah.
So I'm faking
Yeah.
now? Alright. Ah, motherfucker. Woo!
I was low right.
Yep. Stop.
Victor's in low left, and he was first shot.
I was out low right.
Gotcha. Low left.
Jimmy first, right side.
Different when it's not a timer.
Yeah, dude. That fucking sucks. I don't know how you do it.
Ah, it's high.
Yeah, low
Vic-
here.
I got a bad grip on that when I felt it.
Yeah, bad grip on mine too.
Ooh. Victor's first.
Alright.
Was he in?
No, I'm not in. I'm not in. I may have been. I'm going to try a little bit so I can hit the berm.
Yeah.
Okay. On you this one?
Sure.
Alright. Ah, low left there.
Ooh.
I was in.
Golly, dude.
That was low
Low
right.
right, low right.
I snatched that one. I felt it.
How come Jimmy's got so many hits on his paper?
Yeah.
Oh.
God.
Yo, Chris Reeves, can I get a sponsor, Chris?
I'm the last person Chris wants to sponsor.
Whoa.
He wants to sponsor people that can hit the target.
Oh, word. I'll never be sponsored that.
Threat!
Oh, wait, no, that doesn't count. That doesn't count.
See?
Oh.
Look at it. Hey, that's a good placement though, Vic, but yeah, you can definitely speed that up.
Yeah. Fuck, low left.
I was just bad drop.
Nice.
I go.
Victor,
Low.
right?
Not right, yeah.
Got me. Ooh, burned me. You got me.
What a good drill, Jim. I love this. I want to bring this back to my boys.
Do it. I stole it from Nine Banger, so
Well, I'm going to bring it back to my boys.
What
Thanks,
didn't we
Brandon.
steal from Brandon?
his good looks.
Oh! Oh!
It's true, though.
Oh! Oh!
We're gonna go 2 rifle, 1 pistol. Okay. So you're gonna go A zone rifle, A zone pelvic girdle, and then 1 pistol headshot. Got it?
Like a plan.
So 1, 2, 1, transition 1. Got it? And then we'll go against each other. We're gonna go off a beep, go against each other. All right? Key is to get hits. Looking for hits here, okay?
Right above it.
Cool.
Cold?
Yep.
Bang, nah, zap.
Okay.
What's the drill, Vic?
Got a line burner.
Boom,
A zone. Whoop, a little low on that one. Oh, I pulled that one.
Oh, I pulled it.
All right, what'd you? Nah, bad. That was bad. Ooh. Fuck me, I didn't hit the safety, I didn't hit the safety. But I hit the head.
All right, for real, this is the last one. So we're gonna do crazy sevens to close out as a competition. So just going against each other, just to work on our manipulations, add a little bit of a challenge factor, a little bit of competition. And I think there's only 4 of us left, so we're just gonna do a quick tournament and see who wins.
Oh, unfair. Just shoot where the A zone was. Oh, that was sick. Dirty.
Got me on that transition.
Yeah, you got him, but let's make sure they're all in.
Wrong mag. Mojo, come, help me out.
I didn't get what you were referencing at first, and I saw a Glock Mac hit the ground, and I was like, wait a second.
Then he was like, wait, not my gun, I better not try Mojo.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try it. I am not gonna try it.
Only Sig mags fit in Glocks, dude. Glock mags don't fit in Berettas. That's how it works.
All in.
God damn it!
Come on, get it! Oh my God! What is going on?
I dropped them though. So if you have some out, which I don't think you do, I pulled 3 pistol left.
I got 2 out. 2 out.
Ow!
Hey, Jimmy! All right, that's it for me for today. I think we're gonna end it, Vic. It's always
Hey,
good to
guys.
see you. Okay, so you got a YouTube channel now, right?
Yeah, yeah, I got a
you got it
YouTube,
going?
yeah.
Okay, so what's the YouTube channel so they can go follow?
Oh, just like my Instagram, it's Victorkongfu, like Kong, like King Kong, and then Fu, like Fu, and with a period at the end. So
yeah,
that's me.
And then your OnlyFans is?
Same thing, but with a heart. You know,
Okay.
a little heart. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Well, there you go. Go subscribe to his OnlyFans. Help support him.
Thanks, dogs.
You know, he's got a lot to do. So I'm gonna go get lunch. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Karate chop that bell if you haven't already, so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
All right, time to slow down and get them hits now.
now it's time to get the hits.
Let's get
Now
the
we're
hits.
serious.
Hey, you know what? Fuck the first 3 hours. Now it's time to get the hits.
It's not too bad. I mean, it's right
for
there.
The
though.
gram.
For the gram.
Smoke show. Make sure you put this one in the video for Rick. Oh! Oh! Don't put that in the video! Fuck!
I'm gonna make sure Rick sees that.
Yeah.
I'm like, Rick, I was specifically told to send you this.
Yeah.
Rick, we're gonna send it to you.
No,
So when
no.
you see it, all of Instagram will know. There you go.